But that's what I tell you, if you take up your book, everything where you get at school, take it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Don't make the joke fool. You don't know body. These people not come from Moko. So I don't care what your father want to pack up in your head, your father is idiot.
But I go check our book more often I know.
You didn't know say you're going to come out to something big, you know?
Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye. Enjoy.
Maggy.
Sister,
Yeah?
are you ready for go to school now?
Yeah, time get late.
See your book, I don't forget you know when you put it in your bag.
Yeah, come there.
Hey, look here.
Yeah?
Make sure say when you're at school,
Yes.
you focus.
Yeah, make me focus.
You focus?
Yeah.
Make sure you know.
Mm-hmm.
No make nothing at all distract you. You hear me, Kayla?
Yeah, me and sister.
Nothing at all. And make sure so nobody now bully up the neither.
No, nobody now bully me. They just trouble me.
And just trouble you.
Mm-hmm.
Listen to me. Anybody bully or trouble you or you want call it, you can't tell me because you know me not play.
I go up on the road, start up this and forward. I want guest house where I build now. I mean, the toughest mates around here. That's why the mafia link me, it's me.
That's good. That's good.
Hold on.
I walk out there.
Yo, man, them man. Brother, come pick me up, brother. Cause me have other work for doing and that. And this I hold it up, you know. Let me just come pick me up there. Let me just deal with the thing and done, man. Just deal with something, man. Cause me have other work for deal. Me have other house to build, brother. Me have some black figure collect. Yeah, man. Just, come forward.
So this is a project you know one or do. Come to never tell me anything about it.
A new project this one. A project here, a big project already upon. A new thing this one. I never remember to tell us still.
So better than the one where over the beach?
A giant project this man. I want big piece of Jamaica man them take up in the man. The biggest hotel this will be in Jamaica. Yeah man.
Sound good. We don't need it in a Negril. Because sometimes people come down from
Negril I want to build. One will build with the Negril.
Oh.
London I want to build.
For little London. It needed. Because when the people come on vacation, they need somewhere to stay. So they can enjoy themselves.
They have where to stay, but I just want one project where you never see in your lifetime. Like 5 years ago, straight or something. Like I want 40 mile water project. Broad too. when you go up on the compound, you last.
That sounds like a lot of money. Some more money are coming for me.
How you think about yourself alone?
Me not think about myself, but the truth. Me I forget. Huh? How much things there suffer though? Me need money. Me need more money. So you have to start chop up some more money.
Alright.
You hear me say?
Yeah. Let me go to school now.
Alright. Great, I love you.
Love you too.
Remember, I may not distract you.
Nothing at all.
Yes.
Cook and save some food for me.
Oh God, me always sister.
Yeah.
Me always, so.
So if you buy no little juice or anything, you just save some so come back. And quick, time me I come back.
Me know school always over quick.
Alright, bye-bye. Love you.
I love you too, sis.
What about money, man? I Japan man them and do it.
Good morning, Daddy. I can get lunch money for go to school, please.
Remember, you know, you have a school, you know.
So much you have here. So much you have here, no?
You know, me do what I do, no, man. You talk to your people, no, man.
That too much for one day.
Let me talk to your people, you know. Remember, say I go to school. See?
Yes,
The Rastafari roll. See me daughter?
All they do is a spoil.
Watch you. Go on.
A spoil.
Go on.
Alright, bye-bye.
Yeah. Take care of my daughter.
Alright, bye-bye, Daddy.
Do them something then.
Don't be not even she learn anything. Every morning get up and go to school. You check her book them. If you say she really learn anything. But the truth me a talk. Cause you know so the truth me a talk. You tell me about.
When your daughter used to go to school, you never used to see me. But anyway, just left it there. So yeah, left this.
You know like when people tell you the truth, you know.
Left it there some more.
Go along, go and go sleep. And you look tired out. Me know you not send back the damn blasted pitting back on your mama yard. Send him back on your yard, man. Cause you know don't you say that's a waste time. I not even want him, I not even like the pitting, please. I don't even know sure if I feel pitting a good fair jacket. Cause the pitting look like you.
I don't wanna talk. Feel like I've had enough. I just need some time alone. Please don't take it hard. Sometimes I go too deep. Then it gets hard to find a way back home. I just wanna go home. Back to you. I just wanna go back home.
Alright?
Your father stand up right there, son?
No, Daddy not there.
How much time me tell us to stop calling my mama? I'm not your mother. Do I look like your mother? My mother, so? Look how your mother. You look like somebody that they not feed you. No call me no mommy, I'm not your mother. You don't make you want to go back home. You just say me not like you. Don't talk to me.
Sorry.
You know, officer, I tell you all the time, stop calling me mommy. I am not your mother. I'm no ugly son. I'm no black son. You know so me red. No call me no mommy. Go along in, man. Go find something though. Can't stand you. Me no feel people waste money at Senegal school because you not learn nothing. You just go yam the lunch money and sit down and play with the them in a school. Me know where you come from. If you got your yard there, man, I bring responsibility for me. I don't want nobody else responsibility. I have my responsibility already. I need no more. The money me want, you know. It's like when you get this big project, the money me want. All the time about no in-law, pitney in-law, mama-in-law. I don't know them fault there, please.
Sister. How was school?
School was fine.
School was fine.
Yeah.
How your mommy attacks her and so?
We not talk about how much I lost my daddy love.
Oh, mother-in-law.
Yeah.
Oh.
See, alright?
Alright.
School did long and hard.
Long and hard.
Yeah, what if I work? Where something that hurt me?
Oh, you have to just take it easy. So I get no homework.
No, sir. I'm not getting no homework today.
Oh.
I'm tired bad. See I do today. How was the day?
Me did it alright. Me just step on the phone.
Oh,
Scroll.
the one thing we did on the book, the scroll.
Oh. That I feel the phone.
My head hurt me, everything hurt me. I'm tired bad, you know.
Alright, so go and go take a shower then.
I'm 5 minutes, man.
Oh, me used to go with a PE teacher.
You hear about it too?
Yeah.
You know, man, who was say? The man meet in an accident. Yes, him crash. But me is in a stable condition now. Thank be to God.
And my friend called me and tell me about you, know.
I feel the fame. All him picnic them they won.
You're rough.
Hey, you know this thing about it too? You see good people, bad things ever happen to them. And him one of the best teacher them up at school. Sometimes send and talk to me about school work and things.
Well, thanks be to God.
Yeah, it's not real serious. So you look puny.
Kayla!
So good man.
Mommy call me. Yeah!
Yes,
Come here now!
Me a come!
Now! I will pin on my car so long.
What's now?
Why you take so long? Why you still have on your uniform you come home from school so long?
Did I talk to sister?
It doesn't matter. You know, so when you come home from school, you take off your uniform because this can't wait go back to school Tuesday. Listen to me. There's a lot of things in the yard for you now. I want to go wash up the plate, and the kitchen is very dirty. And I cannot cook in the kitchen like that. You understand me? And when you don't go wake up the yard.
But mommy, Alice around there.
Me did say anything to you about Alisa? What your name?
Kayla.
And what's she name?
Alisa.
So does they rhyme? Do they rhyme?
No.
So why you got to tell me about Alicia back there and you stutter?
Because me one can do something.
Why you one can't do it, yeah baby? How old are you? Are you a baby? Your mama not teach you how to wash plate and clean up yard. So what the difference? You clean the yard of your mother yard and you come here say with your father and me and you can't sweep yard and you can't wash plate. What's wrong with you? Let me see your hand them. See anything wrong with your finger them?
No, but Isaac could have washed the plate when I wake up yard.
You keep telling me about Isaac and Alicia and this and that. What wrong with your finger? They join church?
No, but them can do something too.
So yeah, wait, my max is something now. What the mother in here?
You.
Alright then, so you're gonna tell me how to run my house?
No.
Huh?
No.
So why would that even come out of your mouth? Why would that come out of your mouth? This is my house. You don't tell me how to run my house. I am the queen here. Pitney just move from in front of me and go do what me tell you for do. And make sure you wash the plate them good and sweep the yard good. Just move from in front of me, Pitney, and go wash the plate them and clean the yard. And make sure it's clean. Come here. What me just say a while ago?
Wash up the plate them and wake up yard.
Exactly. I don't want to come in and see if I look leaves. Because I see a leave, I go whip you behind whether your father there yes or no. Come out of my face, girl. The lazy fat, you don't know if yam. You must say a chit, you're so yam down the house. You come tell me about Alicia and Isaac, and make me say anything about them. I say you. And as long as you're in this house, you're going to obey by my rule. My rule goes, or the highway. I don't know what the fuck you come from, come tell me what to do. Me tell my pitney for me want my pitney to do something, we have to do it. Me say you pitney, me know why your papa won't send you back to your mother. She up there free. And me don't have to take care of you like I'm a birth you. Me no birth you. Make it worse, you're so ungrateful after people do so much for you. When you come out ungrateful, I say me not do nothing. Nothing for you. All you get a little food in you. Damn greedy fat. You must say a chichi just keep on and yam. The house soon fall down.
How are you? How mommy said to you?
Mommy not say nothing. Mommy just say for us do something.
Oh.
Right now change off and do.
Oh. Okay, alright.
We can go change off and now and rake up the yard and wash up the plate and cook your food, eh?
Alright, do it. I do my girl. Cause right now they are hungry.
Ah.
Mommy! How are you with mommy?
But they actually the sun so hot and there's nothing wrong with the AC here, man. They keep on run water fan there. Your father said I'll get one new one and all no can't get it. All the money when man making can't get one brand new AC. Sometimes I just feel me want to knock him in the head.
I'm love that alone for 2 seconds. You know what I'm saying? I come to talk to you though, real and
But what happened?
what's father is man?
You go on the sun. You know the big project incoming, man. Incoming in this, but you know the big project where start over
Plaza.
I him run it now.
They tell me a while ago, so mommy, he couldn't carry him on the plaza, he couldn't carry him on the work. If I even teach me trade or something,
What you worry about, Rolf? Don't you have everything? Everything you want, don't you get it? Eh?
Mommy have everything.
Listen to me for a second. I'm your mother. I'm the one that care for 9 months and birth you. You have everything. We make you comfortable. You don't need nothing. You don't need enough clothes. You don't need enough money. You don't need enough nothing. So what's the problem?
Mommy, you say me have everything, that is true, but me not have nothing. Me have everything, but me not have nothing for myself, mommy. Mommy, some of the time I feel like I own not even make me have no subject, you know, cause you spoil me. You tell me things them what I want to hear, but not tell me what I need to hear, and I hit me not no subject to this day, mommy. Mommy from me turn big man, me can't get no work.
But you don't need to work. How much money you have in your account? And if you need more, you can't get more.
Mommy, that's another point. Me never work a day in my life.
So you want a job?
More be a man. Me can't live like this, mommy. Me can't live like this. Everything just a handle.
You know, so you're blessed and you don't even know it. When me not have the opportunity like you know, my parents never have it.
I appreciate.
They were farmers.
I appreciate everything you do, and I appreciate everything you do for me. But me just want to work and know what you feel like to be a man. What happened, mommy? God forbid, what happened if you're gone? It one, God forbid, it one just gone. I mean, me don't know nothing.
Alright, me understand. One day we'll go. But if we drop dead right now, everything there's a for you and Pinky.
Yeah, everything there.
The house, everything for you and Pinky. Every bit of the money when I'm my account and your father account for you and Pinky.
Yeah.
So what you worry about?
Mommy, me not.
For you and Pinky, you know, no other picnic can walk in and come take with nothing from you. No.
And I think about that, you know, me don't know if I like one stove. Me don't know how to pull one tin, a sardine. Mommy, everything.
Don't you not have helper? You know, somebody will wash and do the laundry, do the cleaning and cook. If you want to eat 10 times for the day, the helper is always here.
So, mommy, I kill her, you really I call helper.
Then you share the helper? God damn it, you have to learn. You have to learn for cook, you have to learn for wash, and you have to learn for... I'm clean.
So why she have to learn how to do it, but me never learn how to do it?
You're a man. You are the king. You don't have to do nothing. You come in and everything does provide for you.
Me appreciate it enough, feel like I'm ungrateful, but me just need to learn how to do something for myself, mommy.
So, let me ask you a question now. Your father is a contractor and do construction work.
Yes.
You have the big site to go on. You want to go with your father and learn the trade that you want to do?
I not really that, but me say if I even that, if I don't do me nothing else, let me know how to knock one nail in one board. Show me how to put on one window. Show me something, mommy, not just have everything there for me. God forbid you no gone now. One screwdriver, I don't know how to do. I don't know how to use a screwdriver. God know, me know so I want it best for me. I don't want good, but at the same time I feel I don't want to make me tan, so I don't want to make me do wrong. Cause you should have teach me better. I know that me big. I watch YouTube and learn. So, yeah, mommy, just by going on YouTube I realize I don't know nothing. So a simple sitting, I should have know. And if you need to motivate me more, I would have more subject, mommy. I just that me a toxic. I feel bad in myself.
Me understand what you say, I mean I understand.
You know, yo, mommy.
Boy, come here. I kiss your teeth off for me. But you not easy. You better thank God I me push you out. Listen, them 5 fingers are printing in your face. Like a carve, then carve out like tattoo. You're too hard. You have everything and you still a complain. You're too ungrateful, man. I can't bother with you now. Imagine you have a mother and father will give you everything and you still a complain. You don't know if you do nothing. You have everything back onto you. If you open your mouth, everything come to you. Man, listen, see like on my head, the man not bring no money come give me this evening. No bother me, no bother me at all. No want nobody bother right now my head hot. And it hard for cool down.
Sis, Oh, are you there? What happened?
You just come broke me vibes. Me a snap a cake. You come. Sis! Out in my seat. I'm delete it.
So make you always feel in a bad mood when I say me so.
Because you're too big and workless, brother. You're too careless one big man.
Careless with what?
Remember with what?
With what?
You just stay in your house. You don't want to live off of mommy and daddy. You can go work. I was so. What?
What you mean I was so girl me I try better my life and you know much better than me. What subject you have?
Hello. You know, sister, I'm the queen of this.
Queen of what?
Eh? I'm the queen of the
Queen
bed.
of your mother bed?
You know see?
Queen size bed. Queen
Mister,
of what?
if you not see, this is not queen. You say don't. This is king size bed. King size. Hey, let me tell you something, you know. Little leptospirosis, let me tell you something. Don't play with me here. Me did trouble a while ago.
I don't wanna talk. Feel like I've had enough. I just need some time alone.
Mama, you okay if I say me big and workless?
Improper fraction, me did trouble a while ago.
Improper what? Who teach a big word?
Hey.
I go reading class 4 years and still can't read.
Listen to me.
What me sister there? What me look at sister
You
there?
say your head big.
Where can you like?
Just go around your room. Go on.
Me don't know.
Remove yourself from my side.
Sorry, say I never kill her, me see.
Nonsense. Now come back in my room. Where they need justice. Rubbish. Wow, fabulous.
So you there start sleep up on this at Dutchy Redskin one that's not do nothing.
Cause mommy tell me to sweep up here, mommy never tell she.
Oh, give me this one. Yo,
No.
some mother place I'll put me in. As
No,
a
as a
matter of fact, no.
Eh?
Let me have a carry broom come give me can sweep up. Left you alone. Come in and shade. Come in and shade.
Mommy they gonna beat me, you know.
No sweep up. Nobody nah beat her today.
Mommy
Yeah.
say, anyhow she come around and say if you want to look pinch or whatever word she want to use. She say she a go beat me. I say, "True, me no want no beating. And you bigger than me, you not get no beating. Make me sweep it up." Make me sweep it up.
No man, you don't have to do that man. So she not allowed to do nothing too.
She a do something.
What?
Lie down.
Killer, me know me nah no subject, but you come like you nah no sense.
Me have sense. Me just smarter than you. I do what me must do so I don't get any cussing or any beating.
Yo, sometimes I'm sorry me live at this place and I'm sorry me can't. Yo, give me my help. Give me my help. Go and go sit down.
Eh?
Go and go sit down in that shape.
Alright. Hurry up, let me make mama see you.
Sorry, so Pinky never in this one. I sweep him what too. Young garbage.
Yo, today was a good day. I'm not in the right thing.
Big brother,
Yo,
thank you for the help you help me. You see me grow big in life, I'm going to help you. I'm going to help you back.
sis, now worry about that man. I'm a big brother. I not look back for nothing. Not even thanks. Only thing me I beg you to do, just take your book at school because I never take for me. And right now I regret it. So that's the only thing me I beg you to do.
Alright, big brother. Me I try, but the school work hard. Come, give me the broom now. Come, give me broom before mama come. Come give me broom. Come give me broom like I'm me a sweeping.
Alright, watch out, I go in my room here.
Yeah.
I want to big up yourself.
Done more and done and for it now, brother. You see Mason way that tell me about, carry 2 more Mason. With the Mason way that tell me about. Speed more and speed it up and done off this man. Come here. Alright, yeah man. Let's do that man. Yeah man, we link up tomorrow, see? Ah bad. Yo, Joe. The man a come drop his son here. Yeah man, show him how to drop it, because you there already. I'm gonna make him drop it in the road, brother. Alright. Yeah man. Oh wait. Why kill her like the fire side of water drum? Joy! Joy! Joy!
Yes, honey?
Come here, man.
Yeah, you call me?
You realize I'm come from work, don't
Me no say come from work.
you sit on the food, man. A whole day me I working, man.
Kayla go cook.
Kayla go cook why not? Kayla a sweep up on a light fire around here. A shell one there.
She not baby, she have to learn to do things. She's a woman. And one day she gonna have her home where she have her family and she have to learn to cook and wash.
So you deal with her, you know.
Me not deal with her
But
no way.
no say nothing, man. No say nothing, yeah? Excuse me.
So what you get mad for? Me not deal with her no way. Me deal with her just like how me deal with me pitney them same way.
Your daughter,
Yes, Daddy?
you're not cook no food in here. You hear me say? You're not cooking any food.
Mama say if you cook food.
Make Joy cook. Me I go on the road and come back. What me say for do?
No cook no food.
Make she cook, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah.
Be careful here, Daddy.
I'm good, man.
Me not deal with her no way different. Come like you have a rotty problem when you come on to fear pitney, you don't want him to do nothing. But you want my pitney to do things. My pitney not do nothing. They're my king and queen. They not do shit. Nothing wrong with you.
Mommy! How will I fire this though?
The idiot half sister light fire. You say pitney not innocent. You need to go back to the country. You know?
Kill him or kill me off.
Oh, your husband, it's bother you now?
Yeah.
Then you with the pump there.
Mommy, I don't know pump
So
me.
looking at John, if you become in the one for carry the hospital today, looking at John if you see the pump man and start use it. Looking at John, open the John say if you not sit in it. Let me tell you, the girl ain't no sense. Let me tell you, rate the yard, me never tell you for light no fire. It no sense. That's why I need to go back on the yard, man. I know where you put off it down.
Mommy, stop that man. No say so. No say nothing like that. Now you tell the girl to go rake the yard.
Yeah, but me never tell you for light no fire. You understand? Me say rate the yard, make sure the yard clean, but me never tell you for light no fire. That's different, you know. Fire, rake, sweep, clean up, no trash, no left back. Me never say light. I did not say light. That never come out of my mouth. I say clean up the yard, rake up the trash them and bag them up so we can put them out tomorrow. Garbage will come tomorrow. Instead, pitney no sense. My idiot, you know. Listen, me can't
Finish, Mama.
How you want to do? Kill off my pitney in ya?
No.
So will you light the fire for? Did I tell you for light fire? Did I tell you for light fire?
No, you tell me to wake up the yard.
Do we light fire for? How you go? Turn up your some want. Pitney, turn up your some want me a chat to you. Did I tell you for light fire?
No.
What's wrong with your ears, hold them? They're not bore. The sound now go through? Eh? Where you put them?
Him gone.
Gone where?
Road.
Gone on the road, gone door.
No, you never say.
What you want that tell him say?
Remember they tell him nothing.
Why you around there complain to your papa so that me tell you for sweep yard and my pitney in your yard? You never tell your father that?
No, me
So
never
deaf
tell
me deaf?
Daddy.
I had a you, me had a you, me know you what you say?
No, the only thing Daddy say, don't cook no food.
Me no care, and your papa run things in and me run things, you hear? And me are the woman in here.
Yes.
And me are the wife in here. You understand?
Yes.
And anything me say goes.
Yes.
So you could have fly high, fly low, fly the back or the front or down in a area cook tonight. Because I want something for you and your papa hungry too. Come out of my face, girl, and go start the kitchen.
Alright.
Go and go run the kitchen. Run the kitchen. I don't know where you come from. You need to go back to your mother. And you don't want to do nothing. All you want to do is nyam nyam like duck hands. Yeah, papa the same damn thing. I don't know what I'm married to him for. Kind of what fart either.
But mommy,
Alicia, what you bother me for? Alicia, what you mess with me for? Why you pluck my nerves right now? You know, so the sun hot. What you pluck my nerves for? Eh? Why are you plucking my nerves? What is it? Straighten up your face when you talk to me, man. Come in like see that face. That face doesn't fit you. What?
mommy, listen. I know say you want to do things in her yard, but you can't deal with her, so.
How may I deal with her, Miss
Yeah.
Alicia? How may I deal with her?
Mommy, I deal with her too hard. She have to take a little time with her.
So me not take time with her?
But mommy, you know, have to go on, so I'm one little sister, you know.
Let me tell you something. Me not sure say your father pick me. Because me yesterday girl in a run up and down on the street. Me not sure. Me sure you are your brother. You hear me? So anything me say, who not like it, bite it. You understand me? So fly high, me not care what your father say. Fly high, fly low. As she a cook tonight, me not cook. Me not cooking tonight. She have to learn. She have to learn, Alicia. So if you don't like it, me not care. You could have begged her till your boss, Alicia. Me I tell you the truth. I love you. I'm going to everything what you need of. I want to know you need of. You still get. Now tell me what to do. You act like you surf here. You surf here? Eh? You should have you're blessed, you know? You should have glad say you have a mama like me. We're going to everything you want. Only no short and nothing. You think when me I go up, me they have this opportunity? Eh? Listen, me I go up on the van and go enjoy some of the cool. You better tell me, I don't care what you want to say right now, you're your father. That's no problem. I don't care.
I don't wanna talk. Feel like I've had enough. I just need some time alone.
Alicia, who that?
Huh?
How drive the car?
Asian.
Oh, tell him I say hi.
Alright, mommy.
Alright. You now go away?
No.
Oh, okay. Alright. Do nothing. Now young people can't keep up with them.
Come now, you can't baby, you turn up out the door, sir.
Where are you going with?
Can't reach side for you, you know.
Do you know me love red stripe? You ever they bring this a come, not sure?
Yeah.
How 1,000,000 me want?
Hurry yourself, mama. You still get that, man. You're not worry about that. You understand? Hurry yourself, man. Buy a little more, you get that, isn't it? And your brother go for a little work, you understand? So, buy a little more, you get that. You're not worry about that, mama, that at least.
Buy a little more.
Yeah.
Make sure say, you not draw my brother. You not know foolishness what you do. Because be bad things you do, you know.
Mama, easy yourself, man. I not drive brother enough. I take care of him. I'm boy like that, you know. I don't worry about him still.
And my brother, you know. Like blood, and you know that too. So no true, me and him can't agree enough. Feel like say, me not love him. Me love my brother. You hear me, I tell her?
I understand what you say, mama. Anyways, more tell the brother say, oh, me I call him, you see me?
Me? If you tell my brother that, me not deal with him.
So you see hello, me not deal with him.
Hello? Go to the fence to call him.
I'm short.
Go to the fence to call him and call him on the phone.
No, I get him.
So me not just if you go on the fence to call him. If him phone battery ever dead.
I'm going to link him. I'll call him.
Oh, what kind of rush you dey so?
I'm trying to be listen, you see either later or tomorrow, I can check your zine or I can go and Margarita, but I did something I know. You understand?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow later, I say. It depends, but...
Get which hug? Get which hug? You can't buy hug?
Mama, I like face style sometimes, you know.
Yo! What am
All right, man.
Creamy J.
You depend.
There, man. Where the pan?
You know, so still me want to come movement so we go pan. You know, mass over there.
Yeah, man. Me a mass, man.
Oh, yeah, mass.
So, one of them type of move there.
Yeah, man, one of them type of move, man. So grab a mass and fall. No time to wrap a move.
Alright, give me less than 1 second.
Alright, say no more.
Hey!
Yo, hold on for your seat. Anyway, still no boy.
Yeah.
Wow, it's tough, don't see it. Alright, I feel this. So here one now. I want to look at establishment now someone you deal with, you see me?
Yeah.
I know you can deal with it, you know.
I mean,
Because my as I say you want to roll with me and
Yeah.
thing, you see me? So I time you know me get opportunity, you see me?
That me a talk about.
So now me I go pull up on the establishment and let you have, you see me? And you deal with it there. I'm go and watch out for turf, you just match the crime and jump in back, you see me?
Yeah, no fire.
But you know say still.
Yeah! Ah, this me a chop on father, man.
You say you can manage
Who
it.
for girl? Tell me how.
Anybody have a grave, you have a grave, you know. Nobody say you get tired.
Father start the cat move.
Get away,
Ready? No, I'm ready.
Hold on, brother, you move too fast, man. Take out back the master, man. You know put on the mask, you see me? Come remember say I Rudy depend now.
What do you mean I roll with it?
And me hear you crank up the thing, you know, you loaded, you know. Mine a shoot yourself, remember say your first time, you know.
Alright.
You see me? No. Take down your thing now, my youth. How you do?
Oh,
You can't put the thing up there, so.
Mike.
A dashboard, you idiot. You want to go jail? You want to go prison?
Boss, I'm first like, yeah, that's cool, man. I will figure it.
Put away your machine, man.
Alright.
Put away your thing, man.
Alright.
You ready now?
What I mean, the general, I know.
You sure?
I know.
Alright.
No.
It's a mess sometimes, living our own life. Rather stay in bed, be someone else instead. And the dividing lines between wrong and right, how they blur with time, like a noble crime in high inside. Well, I wait for my opinion.
My phone never ring.
I can see
So low.
both sides.
Hello? Where? The who? Police? Police station? My son? My son is here. My son is here. Jesus have mercy. Alright, okay. Yes, I'm coming now, detective. Yeah, okay, not a problem. I'm coming down now. Oh, God in heaven. The boy get himself in a trouble. Alicia.
Mommy.
You need to look up your brother a while ago.
What?
Me just left the boy around us and say me a go on a front desk to go talk to Miss Brown. The boy get locked up. Jesus have mercy. Then I fi gun. Where you get gun from? Where the boy get gun from?
Come on, see and
See, I know about it.
no, never mind, mommy. Me a go down at the station.
Me go get ready now.
Me a go down before you. Just come.
Oh God in heaven. This boy want give me high blood pressure and heart problem, you know. Jesus have mercy. No, sir. Can't take that one, yeah.
When you should sleep instead. And the Ferris wheel, was it ever real? Being young and brave and seeing the whole sky in line. Well, I wait for my opinion, but I can see both sides. In a way, the room is spinning. I can see both sides, but please do not mistake me, 'cause I'm still on your side. I'm still on your side. I'm still on your side.
Where everybody there? Isaac! Brother! Watch ya! What in there? So everybody gone.
When you should sleep instead. And the Ferris wheel, was it ever real? Being young and brave, and seeing the whole sky in light. Well, I wait for my opinion. I can see both sides. In a way, the room is spinning. I can see.
Why, mommy?
I don't know if you say no, because I don't have them kind of money there.
What go on now?
Daddy?
Money involved. Well, for money involved too.
Say the police them say.
Daddy?
Forget lawyer.
Daddy, a gun charge, you know.
Come and talk to the boy.
So, him not get bail for now. Me tell the boy, look at thief in son, but you don't want to hear.
Tell her, you know, let me carry the boy go learn trade. You talk about him too soft for learn trade. Yo, you see,
We have stressed me for more than home, it's stressed out already. And me tell you, if you go get involved with gun, all kind of foolishness.
See how we are going. And you make the boy stay so, you know. Can you deal with him like cheese and butter? Spare the rod, you know, and spoil the child. That you do.
Listen, no bother start. Because you always talk, me younger boy, pick me have. So you help spoil him too.
Listen.
I don't want to spoil him.
Listen. No bother with that. I could find a way. I could find a solution how to deal with things.
Solution of deal with gun case. No have money.
You don't have money. And this is one you have to talk to. I see you have to talk to, but you not talk to her. You always a pick on my two them. That's enough for you picking them too.
No, so why you always a pick on she? What she do now?
I the truth me because of the truth me I talk. It's the truth. I don't like me I tell. I like me I tell.
She's far enough. She's not even yo.
I like me I tell.
Yes, you.
I like me I tell.
You're gonna make things get bad until it get worse. And then at them time they are gonna see what I do.
You just find the money and get one good liar and take me pick me up. Because me no bliss and I find a gun pan. My boy a good pick me.
Food money and give the lie and then none I'm not in there.
I lie, you tell her. If no food no come here, nobody not sleep in here, including you. You're the main one, you're not sleeping here. Make sure that the family go sleep on, you know. If no money no come in this house, a war, you know that too. I mean not a joke. Me serious, you know? You think I joke business?
You tell you something, you see your face. You look like some local Jezebel and you are good them saying no. But you know what? You not gonna spoil our one. Come. Yeah, come.
Me don't know we want carry back to our mama country. Me don't want him here. He yam too much. And my pitney can't even get nothing. You see I chichi that. Yam down the whole house like duckans. Go long where you go, yeah? Because nobody come argue with me. Just find the money my pitney come out of jail. He not sleeping there one more than me. That me I tell you. He not sleeping there. So anyway, if you get the money from me, I beg you, find the money. And I make me get mad in here. You think I joke thing? My pitney not do it. You not even say that to me. You can't talk about some spoil him like you not spoil him too. You always say, me on the pitney, me on the boy pitney, me on the boy pitney. So you spoil him too. You put everything on me alone, like say me alone. Truth me a talk. And you know so the truth me a talk. You sit down upon the money, you must say you can yam the money. I want me to tell you, make sure some money come in here, you know. And my pitney not sleep in a jail one more night. If you not sleep, no peace in the house. Your pitney not have no peace in the house, yeah. Remember me tell you that.
Mommy.
With a mark it down.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Me answer you now. I'm sure you want me to answer you.
You know what I will stop you?
Stop what?
I'm going to tell you what make you stop you now. This conversation should lead up to the little girl.
Me not like her.
I'm a sister, you know?
Me know, but me not like her. Me not sure if you're a sister. Me tell you,
not because
a jacket.
I know your daughter by whom you go treat her like that. You don't have to say things in front of her face, you hurt her, mommy. Mommy, if you stop there and say, I mean, I like you, mommy.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you one thing. You see young bird, they don't know storm. I mean know what me I talk about. From that pit, you come in and pay trouble in the house, everything turn upside down. Eh, I find me off?
No, I would never do that.
You see you do so, you know?
I saw me them, mommy. Me and sister, I fly them, mommy.
Make sure I fly them, you know? Cause me carve me 5 fingers in your face, make it look like tattoo. Don't play with me, and you know me too. If she come in and pay trouble, her father need to carry her back, man. You need to carry her back. Pay trouble in the house when she come here. everything. Me tell her to do. Your papa have a problem with it. It's like him no want her to learn domestic affair. How to clean and wash and iron. You see what I say? Everything me say me can't walk my mouth and say nothing. It's a problem with your papa. When we go to the bedroom at night, I can't sleep because you in my ears like mosquito. I'm tired of it.
Mommy, that's not an issue now.
So what's the issue?
Remember what is the issue, mommy? Mommy, my brother they at jail. And this Sophia talk about. Me no want hear nothing about no bedroom settings with you and that a phone business.
Listen, go talk to him and tell him to make sure some money come in. Because I not say it again. When I say it again, it cause a problem. So better you go tell him. I better you go in there go talk to him and see your father. Go call a little girl for me. Tell him I want him. Like now. ASAP. One. I can't bother with them alone for problem, you know, for real, you know. I get too old, I don't have time for them problem every minute in this house. The house used to be peaceful and quiet. Now it's upside down.
Kera!
I can't bother with this, you know. This is too much for me. Really, really too much. I can't take the stress. I need some rest, not stress.
Yes, mommy.
How much time it takes if you talk call my mommy?
Sorry.
Like your mama? How much time you have to tell her? 10 times before you understand? Before you get in your damn thick brain?
No.
Then why you still call my mama? Me look like your mama to you? You say your mama maga. You see me look maga to you?
No.
Me look like me and you have good food to you?
Yes.
So where you come to call my mommy for? Your mama not look like me? Look over there, so. Every day you are clean. Look over there. Watch it. Bull of paper, soda bottle, orange juice, straw, fork, everything we sell in the supermarket and the restaurant. And every day you say you can go get the broom. Go get the broom! Go get the broom and come clean up. Yeah, you worthless, you go fart you. You know where you want to go back to country. You know something I like you.
Mommy, me not just talk to you about the installer. Hey,
Look
mommy?
like me care to you. Me look like me care to you. Huh? Me not care. And you should have known me by now because I birth you.
Mommy, you have to stop it.
When me dead, me will stop it. That time me know more. Me gone, me deceased, me pass. Me drop out.
Sister, alright, sister?
Yeah. Mama,
What you want?
take your pressure pill. Remember, say at 4 o'clock if you take it.
Oh shoot. Go fit for me up on the dresser. And bring some orange juice.
Yeah. Me can get something to eat, please.
Me look like stuffed turkey to you. Me look like food to you. Look on me go. Me look like stuffed turkey. When them cook a Christmas time. Me look like turkey to you.
No.
You see your sister sit down and drink a nice bowl of soup. Make you never ask him for some. Go long you go ask the papa man. Get him move in front of me and go bring me pill and come give me. Just keep bothering people all the time. You know why your papa won't take you out of here.
So imagine, me there so. I don't remember the time you fit take a pill and she remember you still a treat the little girl one way. You still a do it.
If you know good for you, go along in. You look a red skin girl. Go along in. You're red just like your granny. Come on, just go on, man. Because you're sorry for my nerves too. Go along.
Okay.
But I come back out and I want to stay out there and have peace in my life. And tell the little dry foot sister to hurry up with the pressure cook. The pressure pill them. See, I'm start to get studying now because I need to take my pill and I forget. And you so long out and not remember me to take the pill them. Sure. The whole on come like a bag of baloney. Can't take on sometime. The whole on get on my nerves right now. It's like all my son lock up them plant and gun for my son. Talk about my son. I've gone. My good up son. Where orange juice you bring water come give me. Where the orange juice there?
Daddy, drink coffee, Mama.
You wash your hand? You are not clean because you know all the dirty arm rake out your work and you're gone in the house, in the fridge and take out my pill and wash your arm and next time not do that, man. I just because me have to take them why me I take it, I go take it here now. Next time not do that. Go on, man, go and go finish clean up the yard. Clean up the nasty yard.
Again, I will tell if you sleep up here again. 7 days a week. Listen to me now. Listen to me now. You hear me good? Leave her alone. You hear me tell her?
When you talk to me, put your hand down.
Leave her alone. You hear me tell her?
Put your hand down. You can't load up your voice for me. For what?
Alright.
One way I go. One way I go. Yeah, you come like a crosses.
Kayla,
Yes, Daddy.
come here. Listen to me, I say no. Don't wash up no more place for now, yeah? And don't wake up no more yards for now. Me and man a yard, yeah?
Yes, Daddy.
Me and man a yard. There's nothing new here. Tell me something. You have anything to tell me? Come in the day or daytime, I'm going to work, I don't know what I want. You have anything to tell me?
When she did cook last night, she never did give me no meat in my plate. I be a yam and banana. I didn't give everybody else meat. I didn't plate.
I still eat this sort of food?
Yes, because I need hungry, Daddy.
You're going to come out to something, Make sure, you hear me say, you're going to come out to something. But that's what I'm telling you, if you take up your book, everything where you get at school, take it. You hear me say?
Yes, Daddy.
Now go up on the road and come back and carry something back for you, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a mess sometimes.
Yeah?
Living our own life. Rather stay in bed. Be someone else instead. And the dividing
Come here.
Yes.
Bring the chair and come close to me. Turn the chair up so you can't look in my eyes them. When you're looking at my eye. Sit down. A woman you turning upon me? A woman you turning upon me in here?
No.
Only one woman in here, and it's me. And always remember, me are the princess, and me are the queen.
Yes.
And me are run things in here. You understand me?
Yes, Mama.
Where your father run their taxi?
We are talking about school.
I like you telling them, only one they chat me and me pity them.
No, why would I do that?
You think you better for me pity them?
No.
You don't know nobody. Don't make the dopey fool. You don't know nobody. These people not come from Moko. So I don't care what your father want to pack up in your head. Your father is idiot. He don't have no sense whatsoever. And let me tell you something. You say if you not clean the yard, a compound, you not get nothing from them. Not even a glass of water will come free from the faucet. You not get in here.
I will do it.
Alright, you better do. You better do. And make sure it's sweep clean. Me don't want to see a speck of leaf, not even one leaf. Or drop off of the banana tree. Me don't want to see on the ground.
Can't seem for the life.
You must think you better on my pitting them. You know better on my pitting them, you know? You know better on them. So I don't care what the father want to pack up in your head and make you feel all head lighting. Like you're smuddy. You know, supposed to come from Moko.
I'm strung out in the heartland.
I lie. For my sister and for your study in the same class. What you say? She a brightest? My sister brightest? I lie. Backside. Me always encourage her, you know, to take her book and focus. But I have to go check her book more often I know. And next week, CXC result will come out, so I want to see how much she will get. But honestly, girl, I know so she there ahead of her class. But anyway, it's a good door. Alright, me there, go and pick up yourself. I have to go tell my mother this. Because I know she's the brightest in this class. Alright, later.
Can't seem for the life
Kayla!
to hold back these tears. Now they're floating like a river alongside the remnants of my soul. I'm strung out in the heartland alone. And damn this restless labor.
She said Kayla brightest.
Brightest one.
Kayla brightest in the class.
Kayla the brightest one of the class. Please. Go along with that, yeah. Come with something that's different. That the girl not even know in name where if you see Pambula, I'm going to name. I don't know her name.
Well,
please.
And next week, CXC result will come out.
We will see.
We are going to see.
We will see.
I know how much you go get.
Can't tell you waste the time. I wonder how much you going to get. You know, pass fly. Remember me tell you so. Not even one subject she not pass.
Alright, mommy.
You just say she go ask her go waste your papa money.
Alright, we'll go see next week. Alright.
We will see. Garang, you're just like them. When you not pass nothing. I want to bright and she say, I sugar pass? Eh? Talk to me. So go on. Go lay down because I say something wrong with your head. You're tired. Go lay down.
Kayla this for your lunch money.
From my own then.
I'm going to get $40,000 already there. Where all of that there?
I don't know. Go on. Sorry. Me have money. It's okay.
I go on the work, man.
The team will get the whole of this. They put in the Saga school, go sit down and play around. I'm if you give him $1,000. And this me a gear, please. Pick me a gas school if you give him I get $1,000 and not learn nothing. Me not give him $1,000, this a gas school go waste the money. Listen, I this me a gear, you know. I this me a gear. So you know what's his problem.
Mommy,
How we in there so long?
Dad, get ready.
The class the school bell ring already. We are doing this so long.
Dad, get ready. I mash up the plate them before me leave.
Oh, the plate then wash up.
Yeah.
And the yard sweep up too.
Yeah.
Alright, make sure you know.
Daddy gone?
Long time. What you want?
Lunch money.
Your father supposed to leave you lunch money?
Yes.
You can't go to school one day without lunch money. Me tell you, say you yam too much, you know. You come like a chichi. Here.
Thanks. Soon come back.
Nobody come back. I don't want you here. You should have gone a long time. Go long and nobody come back. You need to forget your mama yard. I know where you are. I tell your father that I don't want you here. I wonder they want soon put out in backside too. I go say for your mama too. My boy gone to jail. My good prince. I will talk about them fine gun pan. My picking no go down so. And the police them plan and me feel say your mama do it because her hand not clean. That's how she get me husband. She tie him up. You see? Thank God. He loose. Cause I pray and he loose. All week, you don't know. And mock how they come from. Will not go there. You know, when my husband gone, I say, go about him a look woman for. Please. Pull on our fault.
Something gone.
I don't wanna talk. Feel like I've had enough. I just need some time alone. Please don't
Well, hold on the Juba, may I get a call? Just make them set up his cafe. Them hear? Yeah.
Me say, I don't want Kayla school me there. Kayla pass all of the subject them.
What? Say it again.
Daddy Kayla pass all of the subject them.
But how much? How much?
14.
Yo, me know, yo, listen me no man. Me know say that little girl here go make it enough. Yo, say nothing no more. Come up here.
back to you. I just wanna go back home, back to you.
I have to go tell mommy I know. Mommy go pro there, you know.
I
Yeah.
wanna hold inside. Yeah.
Mommy!
What?
Mommy! Hi! Evening.
Evening.
Eh? What me tell her say?
What you tell me, say, come in and remember.
Kayla pass all our subjects them. 14 subject Kayla pass.
Somebody do the test for you. To the result there. I'm not a fact, I don't want to see. One.
Come on, Kayla.
Boy, you pass. So think that frightened. That not frightened your backside. The teacher have cataract, she need glasses. She can't see right. Are the wrong answer. Teacher can't see right, please. Don't frighten me. I don't want to come in happy about like on sick. The king of king. Hey! Why don't you bring my pill come for me now? I with some water, please. God, Jesus. Oh God.
Go on, Daddy.
What's up? How when you come?
How me look?
Yo, you say me proud of you, man. Oh God. Me didn't know, you know. I didn't know say you gonna come out to something big, you know. So, how was the training?
Training was pretty easy, Daddy. Where's Mom?
Mother inside there.
I heard she's not doing well, so I come to see her. I take a short break.
She's inside the still. Can we go check on her? Boy, me I tell her my daughter. Me a next one. You really make me proud, man. All of that bad vibes where we really go through. One look for your mother.
Hi, Daddy.
Ja. No say you dead there, you know. No say I watch over we. Ja.
The sweet pain soon ease off. You soon feel better, eh? Sister!
Me miss you.
broken down.
Him always be a good father.
Fears and
Mommy,
I can't seem for the life of me
now grown up daddy.
home back to these
I wait till
tears.
them. Go and see if you Jeep out there. Go and see if I Jeep carry her. Yeah?
I'll get there before you go. Wait. The pain. Oh, yeah. Wait. Let me turn on my back. Ah, Jesus.
Mommy, just take a look.
Oh, God help me, Father. God help me. If I have done anything wrong, please forgive me. Oh, the pain. Listen. See if you can talk to her so we can get your brother out of jail.
Alright, mommy.
Because your father not really have the money.
Alright, mommy. Alright, mommy.
You remember what I said, right? You what I said?
Hear me here.
Your man talk, man. What? The pain. Yes. And say if she can't get him out. Because we don't want him in there no more. He have to come out. You understand me? So do what you have to do. Go and talk to them. Talk to your father. And tell him to talk to her. And you can put in your words to your sister. Tell her, see what she can do. To see what she can do.
Mommy, you really want she to go try take him out?
Yes.
Jail and she just reaching
try your thing, man. You never know. Things we should know people in and people know people.
Mommy said that now we put her in a problem.
You not put her in a problem, man. Just do it for your brother to come out.
Alright, mommy, I go try catch her before she leave.
Go along now, right now. Go. Oh God, the pain. Oh, my back, my hip, my knee, my calf, my leg. Oh God. Oh, I just want the surgery for done and just get over this pain, this problem, this situation. I need to go. I know they're going to do a good job. The doctor there is a good doctor.
Feel like I've had enough. I just need some time alone. Please don't take it hard. Sometimes I go too deep. Then it gets hard to find a way back home. I just wanna go home. Back to I just wanna go back home. Back to you. I don't wanna hold inside.
Maggy.
Make your grandson or your granddaughter do it no man. Say boy, come here. I girl, come here. Come subscribe to Maggy Films. Please and thanks. No. Me enjoy the movie there.
Hold on, go on like son, subscribe up. Oh, for when me telling you say subscribe, it's a joking thing with that pan. My son. Actually, I hear what me run down. Okay, boy. Now yourself, mama. So, now, you. What's on you subscribe to Maggy Films already? No. No? Where's the no? No. And you say what? No, you say boy.